Powering on and feature overview. Press and hold the power or M button to power on the vehicle. Press plus or minus to change the password digit. Press M to confirm the digit. After entering the password, press M again to power on. Dashboard display. Press M to cycle through displays. Press plus or minus to switch through assist levels. Press and hold plus to toggle the light on or off. Press and hold minus to activate push assist mode. Push assist mode provides forward propulsion. Press and hold plus and minus simultaneously to enter settings. PO1 adjusts screen brightness. PO2 switches between km/h and mph. PO4 sets standby time. PO8 sets maximum speed. PO9 configures launch mode. 1 is non-zero start, 0 is zero start. P16 is the auto reset. Long press plus to clear. P17 is the cruise control. 1 means on, 0 means off. P18 is to change power on password. Press plus minus to select digits. Long press M button to confirm each digit. After setting all for digits, long press plus and minus or wait to return to main display. This is the turn signal switch. Turn signal blinking. Brake light lighting up. This is the gear shifter. Gear shifting demolition. Check tire pressure before riding the vehicle. The max pressure should be no more than 20 psi or 140 kilopascals or 1 point per bar.